Hello students, now I am going to make a program in Java that is of pattern. How to create a pattern. So I have already told you how to create a pattern. So this I have created a new class named pattern. I will double click over here. I will double click over here. Then I will select entire program. Then delete. And then afterwards I will start writing that program. So how to print a pattern? First of all, we need to write the name of the class as we have written, that is class pattern. Afterwards, afterwards we will initialize the class. Then we will create a method, public static void print. We will require some variable to print the pattern. So we will take a argument. I have already told you that whenever we are passing any values, we will not use here throw IO exception because it will give us error. So we will initialize the class here. We will take few variables because we will need the variable to do pattern. We will take few variables like ijk. Then we will be using for loop. As you know that we use for loop to print a pattern. For loop का यूज होता है पैटर्न प्रिंट करने में. So we will use for loop to print a pattern. So as you can see, I have written few lines over here. I have taken few variable int ijk, then for loop where I have taken I variable I को मैंने 1 से इनिशलाइज किया, then I लेस देन इक्वल्स टू n का वैल्यू मान लीजिए हम 5 लेंगे तो ये 1 2 3 4 5 रो क्रिएट करेगा और वो इंक्रीज होगा. जैसे शुरू में अगर हमको पैटर्न में स्टार प्रिंट करना तो शुरू में 1 स्टार होगा, देन 2 स्टार, देन 3 स्टार, वैसे करके पैटर्न क्रिएट होगा. एंड देन फॉर j इक्वल्स टू 1, j लेस देन इक्वल्स टू आई, j प्लस प्लस. हमें पता है पैटर्न में रो एंड कॉलम का काम होता है, तो आई विल बी द रो एंड j विल बी द कॉलम. वी विल प्रिंट j, देन अगेन वी विल टेक. हमें क्या करना है, पैटर्न हमें 1 2 3 प्रिंट करना है. जो 1 2 3 ऊपर से इंक्रीज होगा, पहले 1 होगा, फिर 2 3, पहले 1 होगा, फिर 1 2 1, फिर 1 2 3 2 1, फिर 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, k इक्वल्स टू आई माइनस 1. आई का जो वैल्यू होगा उससे एक डिक्रीज करेगा और k शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 एंड k माइनस माइनस. So this is the program. As you can see, as we are getting error here. So we will see what kind of error we are getting. Undeclared method print. Undeclared method system.out.println should be there. So this kind of error we are getting here. We have written this program to print a pattern. And you can see class is compiled, no syntax error. So we will close this program. We will try to run this program. Right click. I have told you what are the technique to run a program. Enter, then again right click. This kind of thing is coming, void notify. So I don't know what happened to this kind of program. As you can see, we don't have any kind of error. Although we are getting, when we have clicked compile, then all the program whatever we have written are compiled. And at now last we want to compile currently this program. It is compiled already, but this kind of error we are getting whenever we are trying to do any pattern programming. So we will give the value of n, that is 5. So see, no output is generated. Again we will right click over here, new pattern, pattern will come here. Then we will again right click inherited the object from boolean object. So 3 boolean false. If we will try to take inherited object from void wait long, then we will get another type of error. So this kind of error you can get while writing a program. Okay, so this is one kind of error. So I hope you will understand. Go through it. I think we are not able to run this program, but at least few things you can understand how to write a pattern and how to use for loop. Thank you.